In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a record in Hostinger. This process is straightforward and should only take you about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, we want to visit the Hostinger website. This is where we manage our domain records, so go ahead and open your preferred browser and type in the Hostinger URL. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to log in. You'll find the login button towards the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do that first. It only takes a moment and then you can proceed with logging in. After you've successfully logged into your Hostinger account, you'll be directed to the Hostinger homepage. This is where you'll find an overview of your account and services. From here, look for the domains section. You might have to scroll a bit or navigate through the menu options, but it should be prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on Domains. With the Domains section open, you'll see an option for Domain Portfolio. Click on this option to view a list of all your domains. Your domain portfolio is essentially your hub for managing each domain you own, so you can always come here to make adjustments. Next, select the domain that you'd like to add a record to. Just click on the domain name and it will take you to a new page dedicated to managing that particular domain. This is where the real work begins. Now look for the section labeled DNS name servers. This is where we manage and configure the domain records. Click on it and you'll find a list of all the DNS records currently set up for your domain. Once you're in the DNS management area, locate the option to create a new record. You'll see options like type among others, and you want to click on type. When you click on this, you'll be given several record types to choose from. For this tutorial, we're adding an A record, so go ahead and select A from the options. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated through Hostinger to add a new record to your domain. Remember, Hostinger offers support if you encounter any issues, so don't hesitate to reach out to them. Adding a record is a crucial skill in managing your website's backend, so practicing this a few times can help you become more comfortable with it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please like the video and consider subscribing for more useful tutorials.